like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
What is up, guys? Matthew here. SJ holding the camera. Today, we're going to be taking this tablet and we're going to be doing multiple objects like a Beyblade, a rock, a broom, and a hammer, as you can see in the thumbnail, to smash this tablet. Well, you can see it's working. You can see right there. Boom, boom. Voice memos.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Keep the screen on anyways.
Alright, so the first test is Beyblade. Ooh. Oh! My Bey!
Did no damage.
No damage once, so... Yeah, no damage. What if I launch it sideways? Guys, if I launch this sideways, it might be different. Watch out for your phone. Oh!
Okay.
Completely. So, just took a rock right here, basic rock. As you can see, no tricks. Ooh!
Whoa, dude. Didn't even dent it.
Nothing. Oh! Oh! Damage!
Nope. Oh yeah, a little bit.
Barely a scuff. Okay, ready, guys? Whoa!
Ooh, that was a good one.
Right on the corner right there. You guys can see. Okay, next is the broom. Super like.
That did some serious damage.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh.
See that, guys? Last one's the hammer, guys. Shoe mode.
Okay, two.
Alright. Can you go up?
No, you broke it. It's dead, people. Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. Watch out. Okay.
Okay. Whoa. Okay.
Gotta use this side. Alright. Let's try something else.
Careful, wait, careful.
iPhone drop test.
Oh. Okay. Wait.
Major! Look at that!
It's major broken now.
Major damage
So
right
the
there.
broom handle, don't...
I'm gonna take it. Ready, guys? Big smash. So, the glass is raised. Get a view from here. So, the hammer. Dang. It's a lot of damage.
Can you still use Apple Care?
No?
Matthew.
Alright, guys. So, rock didn't do anything. Beyblade didn't do anything. Broom, pretty good damage. Oh, actually, the rock did do something.
A little something.
In the corner. This broom side was like... And then the hammer, well, it's a hammer. So, things. Black screen. What do I say? So guys, Matthew signing out.